I'm Jay here at Pangyo Techno Valley for an interview with the Vice President of Aram Huvis, Sang-hyun Park. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure. Can you tell me a little bit about your company and yourself?
Our company name is Aram Huvis, and Aram is a traditional Korean word. Traditional Korean word, one syllable has one meaning.
Okay.
So Aram, means 아름다움.
Okay.
Ram is 사람.
Okay.
So 아름다움 in English is beautiful.
Yes.
And 사람 is people. Huvis is human vision system. So using human vision system, making people beautiful is our company's name and purpose.
I love it. Easy to remember. It has a great background to it.
Thank you.
And you're the Vice President of the company.
Exactly.
So what kind of service or product does Aram Huvis do?
Actually, before we start our company, we think about cosmetic.
Okay.
But the cosmetic, not the pre-made cosmetic, but customized cosmetic, tailor-made cosmetic. So why we already have clothes, and then a lot of company, they also have like tailor-made suit. Why don't we have the tailor-made cosmetic?
I see.
That's the reason why we started our business, and then to make the customized cosmetic, like sewing tailor's tape, we need to have an analyzer to exactly know what kind of skin condition or hair, scalp condition that the person has.
Okay.
So we develop analyzer first for skin, scalp, and hair. After that, we try to develop the customized cosmetic.
Okay. So starting with skin, scalp, and hair.
Exactly.
Okay, and then branching out to other cosmetics, facial cosmetics?
Facial, scalp, and hair, all the things related to cosmetic.
Okay.
Yeah.
What makes your product? Oh, first, let's take a step back.
Yep.
How do you analyze it? Is it using AI technology? If so, is there some hardware? Is there some software built in? How do you go about analyzing your skin, your scalp, and your hair?
So about the technology inside, actually we develop ourselves in R&D center from the beginning to the end. Like 99% we developed ourselves.
Okay.
And then the device that we have one cell phone and one microscope.
Okay.
And several lenses in it.
Okay.
So you can switch the lenses, and then you can use cell phone function and also microscope function together.
Very cool.
So we combine together. So this kind of analyzer, you can take images and you can use the sensors, and then you can exactly know what kind of problems or symptoms that your skin, scalp, hair have.
So you have this technology that attaches to a cell phone and is a lens, correct?
Exactly.
So it's not a whole separate expert medical, well, it's an expert medical device or an expert cosmetic device, but built in or can be attached, sorry, not built in, can be attached to a device we already use every day like our phone. Is this then specifically only used by experts? Can I use this? Is it a B2C product? Is it a B2B product?
So at the first time that we beginning our business, we start from the expert.
Okay.
So we originally made the B2B expert analyzer first.
Okay.
After that, it's getting easier and easier and easier. Now it is easy for everyone to use. So it's going to the B2C product also.
Got it.
So there are quite several businesses that we are currently making.
Okay.
So if I told you about the previous business, we have been selling our product to the globally about 70 countries. 70 countries.
Wow.
But it's not the big amount of products or cost, but a small amount to each countries. So we sold this expert product to the B2B.
Okay.
For example, there is L'Oreal Group, like P&G Group, Astro, this top 100 groups and brands. They have been using our product, and then we collaborated with them. And currently, what we have doing is developing customized cosmetic, right?
Okay.
So using this analyzer, we got a lot of research, and then we collaborate with a lot of University Hospital in South Korea. And then we have been developing this customized cosmetic. We are kind of currently launching the cosmetics.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you've been in the sector for a while. You're already a global company, but now you're going the fully tailored or customized route.
Exactly.
I understand that, I mean, everyone understands that Korea is like the capital of beauty, K-beauty. It's such the capital of beauty right now. It has such a strong brand image, quality ingredients going in everything. What makes your product or service unique? There are so many players right now in the cosmetics sphere, and there are so many people using AI and other analyzing data within their company. Why Aram Huvis? What makes your product so great?
So, beginning of our business, we make just the image, like a microscope image, and then analyze it with several technology in computer technology. But these days, we have been changing this to the AI.
Okay.
So it's the most accurate and then most like reproducing the great quality of image. That is the one thing that we have. And then 2016, we moved to the Bundang Seoul National University Hospital.
Okay.
And then we collaborate with a lot of doctors, and then we made the clinical test with them. And our analyzer is they already prove about is the accurate and then the most accurate one. And also we are using like 100 patients inside of a hospital, and then they came to us, and then we analyzed their scalp and hair, and then we produced the customized cosmetic for their scalp and hair. And then they use it like after like 4 months. After they're using our customized cosmetic for 4 months, their symptoms reduce more than 50% average, and then 97% is satisfied about that. So already prove about the effectiveness and also the accuracy, like both of them.
So proven effectiveness, accuracy. I need this because I have dry scalp. So I assume this addresses things like dry scalp.
Exactly.
When it analyzes things, is it only addressing dry and itchy scalp? Does it also assess hair density, hair thickness? What kinds of things is your product assessing?
Actually, using the AI, the first thing that we analyzing is scalp status.
Okay.
So there is like 10 symptoms of scalp status that we are like dryness, oilness, and also seborrheic, a lot of like symptoms inside. And then the seriousness, what is your level, what is your steps from the 0 to 5, something like that. So we analyze after that and provide you the right solution by the chosen ingredient by your result by AI.
So based on your results and through AI analyzation, I'm getting a high quality. Is it shampoo? Is it serum? What am I getting?
Both of them.
Okay, both of them. Great. Shampoo and serum, customized. Okay,
Yeah,
that addresses several things, not just itchy scalp. Depending on what condition you have, that's the type of thing you're producing.
That's right.
Based on each individual patient.
That's right.
Very cool. Do I have to order it from you? Say I take the results in the test, I can take them or an expert can take them. Do I send the results and tests to your company, and do I get this in the mail or something? Is there a faster way to get it? How do I get my serum and shampoo?
So currently what we are doing is we are introducing our analyzer and customized cosmetic to the hospitals first.
Okay.
Yeah, in South Korea we are now selling that.
Okay.
And then the second step is to those salon or aesthetic, those kind of B2B cosmetic companies or brands. After that, the last one is the prescription model for the individual.
Okay.
So as I told you, we are middle of this, like B2B to B2B and B2C.
So you're transitioning.
Transitioning.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. So we have both of businesses, and then the last one, we already developed about the technology that the individual can analyze by themselves and also subscribe by themselves in their house.
Very cool.
So it's easy to use, and you can do that. But currently, you can go to the hospital and then get those kind of results right away using the analyzer, and then you can purchase right away.
Great.
Yeah.
Who's your target? Before you said, obviously, this was start out B2B.
Yep.
It's still going to be B2B where the experts can analyze you, but it's also moving towards B2C.
Yep.
So my next question is about your target market. Perhaps this could change, but who is your target market?
Previously we have like two target markets.
Okay.
One is like different brands.
Okay.
And we ODM for them.
Okay.
We change the name or brand's name
Sure.
inside of the device or outside of the device.
Right.
And then provide to them. But the second one was our own brand business. And
Okay.
then we have like distributors internationally. One in each countries.
Okay.
So we have those kind using the distributors and they are selling our brand products. And the last one that we are currently doing is using our brand name and then selling to the hospital about analyzer and cosmetic. The last one would be the like B2C
Right.
direct to
with anyone with
customer.
kind of these
Exactly.
issues, right? We briefly talked on, I think your main product was originally based off of scalp and hair, but you also talked about facial.
Yeah.
You produce custom shampoo and serum for your hair. What about the facial cosmetics? Is this a market you're entering? Is it a market you're already developed in?
So, as I told you, beginning of our business, we have been developing the cosmetic. For the scalp and hair, we already developed more than 3 million types.
Okay.
And then for the skin is more than 7 billion. So the product type and product numbers is totally different. The reason why we start from the scalp is this. So we're starting from this, and then we already have the technology for this skin one also. So from the starting smaller and going bigger.
Got
that
it.
is our plan. Yeah.
Got it. Okay. You said you're in 70 different countries, not 17, 7D, right? I got that correct. Okay.
Yeah, 70.
Okay, I didn't want to be a misunderstanding. That's a huge difference, right?
that's
70 is
right.
way more than 17. 70 different countries, you're already an international company. Do you have any aspirations to enter more markets? Do you want to strengthen your partnerships in these markets? Or do you want to be like the global leader of custom cosmetics? What is your global goal right now?
If I say very shortly about our history, our company, even though selling a lot of like countries, but the product numbers is not big.
Okay.
And then we need to enlarge it a little bit more,
Okay.
not only the country, but also the product
Okay.
quantity. So as you told me, we need deeper relationship with our distributor or our partners,
Okay.
but also we would like to meet more companies and more people inside of this business, this field. That is the first one. The
Okay.
second one is, as I told you, we have been selling product in South Korea, but we didn't sell the product in the other countries about the cosmetic yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So that's a brand new market.
Exactly.
Okay.
So the thing that we have been discussing with our distributors is about make the joint venture or make the factory inside of each countries, each companies or factories. But it takes quite a long time because
Sure.
of the certificate
Sure.
and then cost about that. So those kind of like deeper relationship is, I assume, much better.
Okay.
Yeah. So what I really would like to do is meet more companies, meet more like countries, companies, those kind of things in the future.
Wonderful. In order to get this started, I'm sure you talked about certification.
Yeah.
There's so many things that go into getting a business started. One of those is obviously financials.
Yep.
Did you guys start with venture capitalism? Did you start with seed money? Was this a personal endeavor? How did you get your company off the ground?
The first thing that we do in the beginning is using our personal capital.
Okay.
Yeah, and then after that, 2018, we got investment one time.
Okay.
One time after, and then because of this cosmetic marketing or making expand about this business, we definitely need the other company's capital in the future. So I'm really thinking about meeting the more investors.
Okay.
Yeah.
So wanting deeper business relationships, meeting more investors, wanting to take your cosmetics global as well.
Exactly.
To do all this, a lot of companies, they start here in Pangyo Techno Valley, right?
Yep.
People refer to it as the Silicon Valley of Korea,
Yeah,
if
that's
I were to make a comparison, being American.
Yep.
What are the advantages of working here in Pangyo Techno Valley?
So actually, as I told you, we moved into the Seoul National University Hospital, and then we got a lot of advantage there. After that, from the government support, we got a very small space here.
Okay.
And then we got a lot of support also. Not only the exhibition, but also the meeting, a lot of startups, experts here. So we got a lot of discussion and meetings with them, and then I learned a lot. This kind of personal learning is really good for here, and also the company got a lot of advantage about that, like exporting and then importing those kind of information, and then current worldwide current like business trend is about AI, AGI, those kind of like knowledge. Yeah, I got a lot. So I really appreciate about this support from the government and also like staying here.
I find it really interesting because a lot of companies, yours included, some start outside of Hangul Techno Valley, some start inside as a true startup or incubator, but others move in here, and usually what they say is you have a successful business, but it's not just about being successful in your business alone or having the best product. Having the network, having the experts, having the feedback and everything to get your product off the ground is such an advantage to being there. Having even someone who's not in the K-beauty or the cosmetics sector, you can learn so much from people.
That's right, that's right.
Sang-hyun, is there anything else you'd like to add to our interview today?
Actually, our company is really not a company who is spending money for the marketing or spending money for the advertisement.
Okay.
So actually, I really appreciate personally being CEO because even though I didn't think about 2023 when we were in the Las Vegas CES and we got CES Innovation Award at that time.
Congratulations.
We got interview from the AV News. And also after that, we got in touch several times and then I got this interview again. So I really appreciate about the AV News about this. And also our company is a very small company yet, so but we developed a lot of technology, AI, and also the cosmetic, those kind of field in cosmetic field. So in the future, I would like to a little bit change the world using this, not only just earning money, but also because previously, like a lot of global groups, they produce mass cosmetics, and then like there's a lot of waste from that.
A lot of waste.
A lot of waste. Not only the material, but also the cosmetic and packaging, those kind of things. And then they have to have a lot of stocks, and they have to sell that. But those kind of cosmetic, we got the order first. After that, we make it, and then cost effective, and also reduce those kind of waste. And then this is the customized and personalized product, and it is really fit for only one person.
Right.
So we can solve this kind of problem that the customers have, not only the scalp but also the skin. Those kind of things, I think it is like making the world beautiful.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I like that. Not just making humans beautiful, you want to make the world more beautiful. As we move into a sector with AI and customized technology, not just in K-beauty, but in many things, minimizing waste and doing personal products for people is, I kind of think, the way the future should go, right?
Definitely.
So you want to make the humans more beautiful and the world more beautiful. How can people find you? You said you were looking for more partners, you're looking for investors, you're looking to get your name out there more. Obviously, marketing has a lot to do with this and doing these interviews. How can people get in touch with you? Is it through an app? Is it through email? Is it through your web service?
As I told you, we are not definitely not a very worldwide known company yet, but we recently made the SNS and the YouTube and homepage. So if you go to the Instagram, if you go to the Facebook, and then the LinkedIn and our homepage, everything is connected now.
You got all of them now.
Now
you're ready to go. Now you're ready to go.
Whatever that you just type the Aram Huvis, ARAMHUVIS, you can find
for anything. Okay. So I'm here with the Vice President of Aram Huvis. They're focusing on making you more beautiful and the world more beautiful with products for your hair and scalp and your face, as well as cosmetics, especially personalized care products. They're ready to meet your needs. If you guys want to contact them, that's ARAMHUVIS. They have social media all ready to go, and they want to connect with you. Worldwide partners are looking for it. They're also transitioning to B2C. So if you have any interest, please contact the vice president. His English is wonderful. Obviously, he speaks fluent Korean as well, so don't worry about any language barriers. Come get in touch, and let's make the world a more beautiful place.
I can speak Chinese a little bit.
Okay. We gotta add that. There we go, because he wants to add a Chinese market. I speak no Chinese. Chinese as well. They're ready to go even more global. They're a proven company with proven facilities as well and proven products, and they want to get their product out there to you, specifically because they're customized to you as individuals. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very
I really
much.
appreciate it.
Yeah, appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
Yeah, thank you.